It's a little overwhelming job, I think, because politics is something where it's very demanding. So I hope I'll be able to live up to the expectations of the people. Well, you cannot expect the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saling is. I think he's got a different personality, and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done.
What?
I think the issues of the area, the issues of the constituency, of course, and that matters which are related to the public. In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I have seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Karur. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I feel I will take up these issues first. The main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what they have voted for. I think, in general, I've been always saying this, that women in politics is very less, and I think that's the nature of how politics has been, because it's a difficult job, it's very demanding, and I think we as a women, as equal participants in the society, should come out more and then participate more. I just hope that me being one, I hope that so many women will get the encouragement that they need to come out and be part of politics.